Hey everyone! Welcome back to our English Chat Corner. Today we're answering a strange question. Why is the usual reply to how do you do just how do you do? Sounds strange, right?
Totally a kill. I remember the first time someone said that to me. I thought, wait, am I supposed to answer or just repeat it?
Exactly. So here's the deal. How do you do isn't really asking about your feelings, like how are you? It's actually a formal greeting. Think of it like a polite handshake, but with words.
Ah, so it's more about showing respect and starting a conversation rather than sharing your mood or health.
Bingo. And the tradition comes from Old English etiquette. Back in the day, people kept conversations very formal, especially when meeting someone for the first time.
And instead of saying, I'm fine, thank you, the polite response was just to echo the greeting. How do you do?
Right. It's like saying, I acknowledge you and return your polite greeting.
So, if someone says, how do you do to you today, you don't have to overthink it. Just smile and say,
How do you do?
easy, polite, and timeless.
And there you have it, folks. A little peek into the charming world of English formalities.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fun English tips.
See you in the next video.